Hi guys, so do you want to have more views on your YouTube videos and you want people to not fly away as soon as your video is gone? Then I'm gonna show you right now what you should do when you share your videos from YouTube. Let's go! So I'm in my YouTube studio in my playlist, and let's say that I want to share a video. So I'm gonna click there, and I want to share that video right here to as many people as I can. So here I have the how to become an affiliate marketer in 2021. That's the video that I want to share. So I'm just gonna press pause because we don't want to watch that video. But here, if you press share, you see you copy your link, and when you share that link, people, when they click on that link, they're gonna receive all your videos. You're gonna land into, you see, oh wow, that's nice. So they're gonna land into your video, but they're gonna have the option to see all your other videos after that. So I have 22 videos that they can watch right after. So that's really a powerful little trick, and you just, oh look, I don't really look happy there. So you just share your, you just have to share that kind of link instead of the link of the video itself when you go into your YouTube video. So you share that link through your playlist, and then people are going to see all your other videos instead of jumping into a totally stranger video. So you're gonna get more views, because if people let run your video and then it goes to another video, it's gonna be one of your video. So it's really great, and I really suggest you to try that. It's really simple, and as soon as you want to share that video in different Facebook groups or into your blog, it's gonna be really better for your views. So it's a really simple trick that you can apply right now. As soon as you make a YouTube video, you share that link instead of sharing your normal video link. So I really hope you enjoyed that, guys. It was a really quick video, but if you liked it, please give me some likes, give me some comments below. I always reply to all my comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell if you like what you've seen, so you're gonna receive news when I post new videos. So thank you guys, and have a really good day.